sunlight. Dazzling shine. The sun competing for attention. You. The John Frieda collection. Everything we create begins with you. Like our sheer blonde, brilliant brunette, and radiant red shampoos and conditioners with new light enhancers. They attract light, maximizing healthy shine and color like no other hair care line. Another salon breakthrough from professionals behind the John Frieda collection.
It's okay. It's alright.
Yeah. Just keep it on.
What is she reaching for in that basket?
There's a little sticker. Golden sticker. It's a bag.
Sale price on furniture, mattresses, and rugs. Plus no interest for 12 months when you use your Macy's.
What you got there, Hannah?
Mickey Mouse.
Is that Mickey Mouse Clubhouse?
Clubhouse.
Come inside, it's fun
Mickey
inside.
Mouse Clubhouse.
Where's Dorothy the dinosaur?
Now through Sunday at Macy's.
Where's Dorothy? Where's Dorothy? See, Daddy, open this.
Where's Dorothy? Where's Dorothy, Hannah? Hannah?
Look at all the books. Look at what a mess she made. All her books are all over the place. And all because she wanted that little sticker in the bottom of the basket there. A little gold sticker right there. That's what she's after. You must be kidding me. You want a sticker? Is that what you want? Oh boy, Hannah.
Welcome back to Access Hollywood, where we're tracking Hallie's fashion flashback. And it's not always pretty. We're also tracking the new Nick and Jessica.
Hannah, Hannah. Hi, baby.
We'll have the answers. And speaking
Hannah, Hannah, Hannah. Where's Dorothy?
girl, info to the end that I can't wait to hear. But first,
Say bye-bye.